Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make bone broth for gut health. This nourishing liquid is packed with beneficial compounds that can significantly support your digestive system. It's a simple yet powerful addition to your diet, offering a wealth of nutrients. We'll cover everything from selecting the best ingredients to simmering it to perfection, ensuring you get the most out of every batch. Get ready to boost your well-being with this easy method. To begin, you'll need about 2 to 3 pounds of bones, such as beef marrow or chicken carcasses, for optimal nutrient extraction. A crucial ingredient is 1 to 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. This helps draw minerals from the bones. Don't forget aromatic vegetables like 1 large onion, 2 carrots, and 2 celery stalks for flavor. A large stock pot or slow cooker will be your best friend for this process. First, for a richer flavor, roast your bones on a baking sheet for about 30 minutes at 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Next, place the roasted bones, vegetables, and apple cider vinegar into your pot. Cover everything with filtered water, ensuring it's about 1 inch above the ingredients. Bring it to a gentle boil, then reduce the heat to a low simmer. Let it cook for 12 to 24 hours for chicken or up to 48 hours for beef. Once your broth has simmered, carefully strain out all the solids, leaving you with a clear, golden liquid. Allow it to cool completely before transferring it to airtight containers. It will keep fresh in the refrigerator for up to 5 days. For longer storage, freeze it in smaller, convenient portions for up to 6 months. Enjoy your homemade bone broth warm as a comforting drink or incorporate it into soups and stews.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.